Hello, my friends. In this informative lesson, we will thoroughly learn and gain a clear understanding of the precise and correct method to effectively turn off the vibration feedback that occurs when you are tapping on your device's screen. We will be specifically applying this practical and straightforward method on Android smartphones. To begin, let's navigate directly to the pre-installed and universally available default settings application, which can be conveniently found on virtually all Android phones. Tap on it. After that, you will need to carefully scroll down a little bit on your screen and then diligently look for a specific option that is clearly labeled as sound and vibration. It is important to consider that if your phone's operating system is currently set to another language, the exact wording of this particular option may appear differently on your device. Remember the locations and icons you will be navigating to. Please tap gently in this designated area. First and foremost, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Vibrate on Tap. Tap on this option. Previously, I had intentionally disabled this particular option, so now let's carefully try one of these available options, such as medium or perhaps high. For example, let's go back to the previous screen or menu. Now, proceed to tap on the very same option or selection once more. Subsequently, you will need to carefully scroll down the interface, and as you can clearly hear and perceive, there is a distinct and noticeable tap sound or a tactile vibration sensation that occurs when you interact by tapping on the screen. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The playlist contains various tutorials. You'll find important guides that you'll like and benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.